Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin. Let the wonder take hold.
Feel it draw you in. Watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow. Setting out for a new tomorrow.
Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find it. Happily ever after. Find joy. Happily ever after.
Mira más.
So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
No puedo ver que me tapa los ojos el pelo de ella.
There, strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there, like a ordinary man who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share of resent, of despair, of and bent. I won't care. I'll accept out there.
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it. And then the journey begins. Your story takes hold of my own. Be as strong as the seas are stormy, and loud as an eagle's wing. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. Chase the wind and touch the sky. Chase the
friends are for. Mr. Madison, I'm a wish or two or three. Never had a friend, never had a friend, never had a friend, never had a friend, never had a friend. Had a friend like me.
Mira, mami.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open no matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart. And it's like the fog is lifted, and the last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted.
Con una mano cuídame la bolsa, ahorita te la agarro. Le digo que me cuide la bolsa. Con una mano ahorita se la agarro, nomás para cambiar de mano. Ay.
Flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
¿Ya no vas a poder ver? ¿Que te bajo o te quedas ahí? ¿De que te bajo o te quedas ahí? No vas a poder ver, mira.